Just introduce yourself and you can say that where do you work, what do you do in life.
My name is Brijesh Kumar. I am from Hyderabad. I work at Times Television Network and I work in the finance department as financial reporting. So my job, I feel that it's a little boring, so I have joined the security research course so that I can use my creativity to explore new things.
Okay. So Brijesh, what do you learn in this equity research workshop? कौन सा equity research workshop?
Actually, a lot of things which I should have learned during my MBA only. Whatever we get to know things we had in our syllabus in MBA, but that time we didn't study because it was college time and we were not serious. But now I came here and today like we learned free cash flow, dividend discounted model, everything we knew. I mean everything was familiar. There was nothing new, but we were not serious. So last time when we had this in college time, we were not serious. So we didn't know how to do it, and there was no practical approach at college time. The professors used to come and they used to explain, and we never did any numerical on that. But here we are doing a lot of numerical, and that too on Excel, so which is very fast.
So I got it. Do you think that this workshop will be really beneficial to get placed in equity research?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, as I told you earlier, that I should have learned all these things last year only in my college only. But now I feel I'm very very strong in field of. I have confidence that if I sit for a financial equity research interview, I can crack it. Okay. Earlier it was not there. I was not confident. I used to get afraid that if I'll go to an interview, what I'll do. But now I feel very very strong.
Okay, and how is the Kansai support structure like?
It's very very nice actually. Even sometimes when we are not giving concentration, people from Kansai are calling us and they're forcing us to study and to do the assignment on work. So actually more than what we are giving, the Kansai people are giving more than that.
Okay, and what would you like to say to future participants of Kansai consultancy?
Well, I will advise that don't be lazy actually. What we did at start, that we thought this is very easy, we can do at later stage. So we kept postponing things. But best thing is what you studied on the day of Sunday, go revise it on that day only, finish your assignment on that day. So that is the best approach to proceed. Otherwise you will be lagging like me actually. Okay. I'm not able to complete report on time, but within a week I'll complete. I'm sure.
Things
but
pile
but
up.
I would like to tell my juniors, those who are coming, that don't postpone things like me and do it on time.
Okay, I got it. And any feedback you want to give or something you want to express, so freely you can express.
Yeah, it was very nice actually. I mean, Harshad sir is very nice. He answers if any time I have any doubt, you can call him and he'll answer that. So the support is very good.
Okay. So thank you, Brijesh, for everything. Okay, thank you. Bye.